Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make fresh coffee using coffee beans with 2 cups. Let's go to the machine and we are going to make 2 cups of coffee in one delivery process. So first step, we have switch on the machine and of course lower the spouts as near as possible to the cup. This makes a creamery coffee, of course. Now switch on the power button, and in the most of the times, the machine will have a diagnostic boiling process inside, and in case of this, some water is dipping out. Because of this, I am placing a cup under the lower spouts, okay? Not all the time. If you are continually make some coffee, it does not need every time to clean itself. Does this only at the beginning and at the end. For example, if it comes out of the standby or go into the standby mode. To make more hot water. This is a little tip. You do not have to do this. Before delivering the coffee, perform a rinse cycle by pressing the rinse water button. Hot water is delivered from the spout, heating the internal circuit of the pinions, and these raising the coffee temperature, of course. And for warm up the cup, you can use your cup before you make coffee in it, of course. But also you can use the hot water function of this machine. But this is cheaper process. I will handle this in the future, but it's your decision. So now let's place 2 cups under the lower spouts, okay? Have a look that the 2 valves are getting in each of the cups for make 2 cups in one shot. Your coffee machine, DeLonghi Magnifica, is ready to use when the LEDs are on. On the left side, you can set the size of your cups. Right is for huge cups and left is for the small cups. We will have a medium size, so let's do this in the center. The right side of this is to make strong coffee, right side, or not so strong coffee. This is in the center side, or a soft coffee. This is on the left side. So, if everything is set it okay, you can try this at your own for a long time until you find your right coffee making process. Then press the button with the 2 cups on top, and then the machine will start immediately to make fresh coffee inside or with 2 cups at the same time. So you can do and serve 2 cups in one time with your partner, for example. This will need not so long. It costs you 30 seconds, I think. And it is really hot and delicious because it's making by fresh coffee beans. Oh, there it comes, as you can see. Oh, delicious. While the machine is making coffee, delivery can be interrupted at any moment by pressing one of the 2 coffee buttons. That means if you like to have an emergency, push there. At the end of delivery, to increase the quantity of coffee in the cup, just press, within 3 seconds of course, one of the coffee buttons to make or inflate a little bit of more coffee. But if you gave the right settings on the left side buttons, you will make delicious extra size coffee at your own. And as you can see, this is enough for these cups. Job's done. Easy going, delivered. Yeah, nice. This is easy, as you can see. Now remove the 2 cups and have a good tea time. Coffee time, for example. Sorry about this. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And delicious coffee making in a DeLonghi Magnifica. Super flavor. Delicious. Son.